Acceptance. Do you want to learn how to accept yourself exactly in this moment right now? Exactly. Now it might be easy, but when it's the hardest for you, when you are angry, when the fire inside you is burning and you are looking for the blame of others in the outside. But why looking somewhere else? What is the real reason? Why are you angry? Let it out. Yes, express yourself and then start to laugh. I invite you to just giggle. Start to don't take yourself too serious. Life is too short, so enjoy it. And the next time you feel the fire is burning in your stomach or you're standing in the rain, don't do what you're normally doing. Allow yourself to be different, to react with more joy. We practice it directly now. Feel your anger. Invite it now. See a situation, what happened. Feel the frustration or the fire inside. Whatever it was, feel it again. And then imagine you express it. Allow the energy, the overloading, what you can't handle, to just flow away. Beautiful. And then start laughing, start giggling. With or about you. Yes, do it now, come on. Isn't it already more joyful? What has the most power if you can just invite the joy, invite the acceptance through expressing in the now?